Hello, I'm Koontz Jr. and today we're going to take another quick look at the Windows Screenshot shortcut. I made a video recently detailing how to use the Screenshot shortcut for Windows, however I failed to go over the changes Windows 11 had recently enacted to the shortcut tool. While all the same features remain, they have been moved under a drop-down, shown here. Microsoft has also added a new screen capture recording feature. Select the region you want to record and click the Start button to begin recording. Once you hit stop, it will pull it into the snipping tool just like a screenshot. From here you can choose to edit the video in Microsoft Clipchamp, or you can use the options from Windows 10 to either save the video or clip it to the clipboard. Other than that, the basics of taking a screenshot for Windows 10 and 11 remain the same. For a more detailed guide on taking a screenshot on a Windows 10 or 11 machine, check our guide on that in the description below.